Take your golfing experience to the next level with the Garmin Golf app. Compete with your friends and fellow golfers in a fun and engaging way. First, download the Garmin Golf app from the Apple Store or Google Play Store. Once the download is complete, open the app to begin. Next, create a new account. Follow the prompts to set up your name, email, and password. Agree to the storage and processing agreement to proceed. Now, you can customize your profile by entering your personal information. Follow the prompts to configure your privacy settings. This ensures the app works according to your preferences while keeping your data secure. This includes your gender, height, weight, date of birth, and typical bed and wake times. These details will help the app provide you with accurate insights, like tracking your sleep patterns. Once everything is set up, you're ready to explore all the features the Garmin Golf app offers. If you need further assistance, visit support.garmin.com. Download the Garmin Golf app today and make your golfing experience more exciting and competitive.